like pink color, but black is better. No, pink is better. Like pink, black, pink, black, pink. Idea! Let's do black versus pink challenge and find out which color is better. Yay! Wow! I'm first. Let's go!
Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell
Balloons
icon.
challenge! Yay! First to pop all balloons wins. Okay! Come on! 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2. Yes! I cannot reach it. No! Yeah! I won. First point is for Roma. Yes! My turn. 14. What is this? Ping pong challenge. Cool! The one who blows the ball the furthest wins. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I got 30! I got only 10. Oh! 70! I have an idea. I'm the winner. Point for pink. Yay! Your turn. Okay. Go. Interesting. What's next? Paper airplane challenge. Nice. The task is to get more planes of your color in the box. Let's go. Me first. Yeah! My turn. No. So close. Yes! Yes! Yay!
Hey!
Oopsie. Uh-oh. Let's check who won. I have 9. I have 12. I won. Another point for pink. Now I will spin the ruffle drum. Come on! Guess the animal by sound. Hello! Woof woof! Meow meow! Wow! Peekaboo! Guess which animals the sounds belongs to? A bird! No. Huh? A mouse? Uh-huh! Yay! Flamingo? No. A duck? Chicken? Yay! Frog? Yay! A cat? Yay! A parrot? Crow! Yay! 3 versus 2. Second point for Roma. Next challenge.
Yes!
What's
Hey
this?
there.
Shape
Subscribe to
searching
my
challenge.
And also press this
We need
bell
to
icon.
complete these forms using the shapes hidden in the spools. I have to collect skulls and meat parts. 3, 2, 1, go! I found the first part. I found 2. Yes! One more left. I have a plan. What? Hey, that's cheating. Uh-oh. Yay! I'm first. Is that allowed?
Yes, point for pink.
My turn. Mystery box challenge. We have to find the golden star to win. Let's go. What will you choose? Wow! This one. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey there.
It's so
Subscribe to my
fun!
channel.
But
And also
it's not a
press this
golden
bell
star.
icon.
And I want to try this black box. But black color is mine. Please. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Spiders! Okay, but now I will choose the pink box. Go! Yay! I hope the golden star is here. We'll see. Whoa! These are pink balls. This is my last chance. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! I got the golden star! You're lucky! Sad
There.
point for black.
Subscribe to my
We have a
channel.
joke. So which
And
color
also
is
press
that?
this bell
Black
icon.
or pink? Every color is good. Bye!